Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to today's live stream. We are looking at Nifty, whether it is going to take support here or not. Going to be extremely volatile, so we'll wait, and then only take any trades. As of now, it looks like it's headed to 24,374 our target. So let's keep 15 minutes charts open and see what's happening, right? So I am bullish for today, as I had mentioned yesterday. I don't know when I'll turn bullish, right? So, but I'm not shorting this market for sure right now, because the worst it can go is 24,330. If it fails beyond that, then probably I'll wind up for the day. My expectation is that we get some support here and then we start to move up, right? So there's very strong support here. And if we take support here, then we can go to 24,497, and probably after spending some time there, it should go to higher targets. Anyways, all this is an assumption. So members, please note, trend is not valid anymore. First 5 minutes trade was over in trend. Go to, maybe I can go to 3 minutes chart to explain. So in fact, in the first 3 minutes it was over. So it opened, and as soon as it crossed 75.86, took long. It went up to 76.40. Then it came out and closed. It started coming down around 75.98. I booked my partial profit, and 75.80 I put my trailing stop loss, and that got triggered. So I'm now waiting without adding anything. Okay. Now it should retrace to its yesterday's close of 75.12, 75.13 in this level. And if it sustains here and without breaking yesterday's low, it can still go up. So we'll wait for it here to make fresh movement, right? Bandhan, now that the market is not yet decided, we'll just wait for Bandhan to give us a proper signal on 15 minutes to enter. Okay. It's not yet come. Once the market starts moving up, we'll get some more cash trades, which I'll share here, if it moves up. So. Remember, 24,373 is a strong support, and below that 24,330. So some stocks that I have shortlisted in case market recovers is JB Chem Pharma. So market has hit our first support. We could see big violence till 24,330 also. JB Chem Pharma, if it closes above 1932.5 in the 15-minute time frame, that becomes a very good candidate for us. Again, I'm not looking at beyond today and tomorrow. So worst case, we'll exit tomorrow. Needs to be a delivery buy. So just reversal. Sometimes reversal trades can give them maximum money. Okay, Nifty is trying to pull back from our support. Will it? Okay, so I will keep us alarm. So this is JB Chem Pharma. I want an alert only once per close. Only if it closes above, I'm interested, because I want stocks today to show their strength, and that's why I'm not interested in just crossing along. Meanwhile, Nifty is falling down to a level of 24,330, I think. Good morning, Builder. We missed you here in the stream. Welcome. Good. Always good to take break, whether loss or profit. So today's strategy, we are waiting for 25. That's my wish list. 24,330 to see if it is taking support there. It's currently at our daily support level around that area, but don't think it's going to hold. Should fall down to 24,330, and once it reaches there, we will get a good trade. So I expect that we will trade only at the afternoon today. Let's see. So expiry, right? So after the initial move, it might quieten down. We are in no hurry. We will wait for market to tell us what to do. But the inverted hammer low is broken. That means it's a short, right? In that sense. So one trade that we can think of is just small quantity, 23,352 below, can short with 24,375 stop loss. 330, be careful. Okay, so you can enter 24,400 put. Now it's 91. Our stop is going to be 24,375. 91. So we should get around 108. 71 is our max stop in the put option. We entered at 91, so 20 points is max or stop loss always. It's a risky trade. That's why I said small quantity, because we are in approaching a very, very significant support zone. So far, it has been following this curve that I mentioned yesterday. Let's see if a major money is going to come from if it reverses from here. This is just in case my view turns out to be wrong and we keep falling like a stone in water and we sink to 24,250. We need some kind of a exposure. So that's the only reason for taking this trade. Sometimes a trade turns out to be the biggest winners also. So let's see how it behaves at 24, 330 is important. By the intensity of selling, this doesn't look like it will stop. But it's interesting, as the market goes down, the put option price is reducing. So that's the first sign that, yeah, okay, done. Not yet. Escape by few ticks. Mr. Stop loss by 40 paisa. All out stop loss is 71. We won't hold it below that. Your order's ready. Okay, exit it. Still didn't cross the eye. No, I thought the stop loss got triggered. 374.75, 74, 75, 26, 24, 375 or 72, whichever comes. Sorry, 71, whichever comes first is our stop loss. This is like watching a thriller movie, keeping me on the edge. Back to our buy price again. So I'm taking a trade in Nifty 1860 PE. I wanted to break 1865 just to be sure. Oh, sorry, this is November. Yeah, I want November. Sorry, that's right. Because I want to trade in positionally, so that's why I'm taking now. Also, last week, problem. November 1860. Interestingly, JV Pharma is reached our market. So although the market has not moved anywhere, our option is losing value like anything. So not anything, but around 6 rupees premium, it has dropped at the same place. So we expect this stock maybe. We need that for 71 out. So that trade just confirmed our belief that market will turn around today. Now we just wait for a good candle setup. So I'm parking NP for now. Let me see trend. So trend, as I mentioned, it came down to the support yesterday's close 75.11, and now we want to see a good green candle here anywhere along. Because look at this. This is a super consolidation it has done, and that's why I picked it for today. So, but we must have confirmation from lower time frame. So either this candle high crossing or we get a bullish Marabosu kind of candle here. That's our trigger. And our second guy, I think, has come to buy level, and then exactly to our buy level the low is. It's kind of making a bullish engulfing here. Let's wait for it to finish the candle and then we can take the trade. Yeah, so buy above the high of the bullish engulfing, stop loss, target, Nifty making a nice bullish harami. So one of the things a little trick that I use here is now I check for RSI, right? So if there is a divergence between, you can see it, this is downtrend, and what does the RSI show? There's a trick, nothing to it. RSI is showing, or I think it's the next one, but it doesn't matter. It's showing a positive divergence, right, on 15-minute chart. So which again confirms our theory. This is a grand setup which happens, I don't know how many times, lots and lots of times, right? So a clear price is making, and RSI has made a higher low. So this is a clear positive divergence on RSI. So that is also good news. So we'll wait, let the candles form, and then we'll. So first of all, we took a short trade below yesterday's low. That didn't work. Symptom number one, or sign number one. Sign two is we saw how the premiums of the put options were getting eaten, and sign number three is RSI divergence also there. So everything so far pointing to our theory of market will reverse today is right. Let's wait for candle to confirm it. If this makes a bullish engulfing, that's pretty great. Okay, so this guy has started moving. This guy. Reason for picking Bandhan Bank should be obvious. Ta-da! Analyze the chart and let me know if you don't know the reason. I'll be happy to explain. But wait for him to close, and then above buy is our trigger. Above high is our trigger. Sorry. Nifty. So most likely Nifty is going to make an inside bar with 2 minutes to go. So I think everybody knows how to trade an inside bar. And if it inside bar happens to be a bullish engulfing, or it cannot be an outside candle, so it's a maximum of bullish engulfing, it's even more better. So the trade setup here is, if this closes as a bullish engulfing or inside bar, once this high is crossed, buy half of the quantity that you want to buy and wait for it to pull back to half the length of this candle. Right, that's around 24,382 to buy the rest off, because highly unlikely it will go up in like what I have drawn here. It might just do one more dip and then go, but we don't know. So that's why we are taking the half position up front. Do the trade in the money put of 24,400. We will get triggered when it crosses 24,414. 181.99 high. How is that possible? Now look at trend. Just as I mentioned, after this candle, when we last saw, this was a full red candle. It has made a hammer over here. So above this high, superb move. The target is the one that I given new. No change to the target. Stop loss will be either this candle low or this candle, whatever. It's 8-point difference. So better to keep base loss, stop loss. And let's see if Nifty is crossing the high. Crossed, right? Yeah. So 24,400 call right now, 42 rupees, and be ready to buy another half quantity if it pulls back to 24,380 levels. So it's a bullish engulfing and also a inside bar, deadly combination. So fourth evidence for our theory being right. Let's see. Also, what could be useful is to also keep an eye on hourly chart, the first, which happens to be the day's high and day's low. So far, we'll this guy uses separate mechanics. Okay, okay. So first 75 minutes high and low are, anyway, the day's high and day's low are very critical. Whichever side it breaks, that side we expect to move. Okay, already we are in 2 rupees profit. Oh, Infi put is rocking. I didn't take it though. Okay, as we expected, it's doing a little bit of pullback. A little bit of pullback is always good, but if it becomes too much, then that means that the trade won't work. So just ignore the premium fluctuation for a moment and reduce your quantity and trade light. That's the only way that we are going to come out of this. If it's positive, then no problem. But if it goes against us, then we shouldn't get hurt too much. That's why I keep saying today, small quantity till the trend establishes and momentum comes in, then we can increase our size anytime. Right? So right now we're trading with half our size. See how the premium went from 33 to 42, just like that. Oh, very important. Targets is 24,991. Sorry, 24,491. Oh my God. I'm saying diehard bull looks like 24,491. That's gonna be our target. So our call option should go to around 115 bucks, something like that. If the trade works out. So always a probability. Bandhan, we've got an entry. So friends, this is the region that I expect the target to come, 24,672, I can say accurately. So but I would take this zone. This is my target for this pullback of Nifty. And you can see that there is a big trend when it's this one. We'll make it some other color. It is overused. Violet. Okay, so this is the level to which at least it should go to. Okay, boys, think trend, watch trend. And our call option from 41 rupees has gone to 58 now. The power of candles, guys, power of candles. See, we got a loss of 20 bucks. We are already up 30 bucks in this. Sorry, 20 bucks in this. So all the debit is now gone. Now it's our time to shine. 443 पे क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. We want to see 24,497 for our first profit booking. आएगा. Patience रखो. So let's see how our stocks are doing now. This guy, okay. So this is the stop loss. You can see how much buying is coming in the stock. उड़ेगा. Stop loss and sorry, target shared with members already. And then same thing. उड़ेगा. Let's see. When the trade goes our side, we will sit and eat. We only need 2 or 3 days in a week to go for us, and we will make big money. That is my policy. On the other days, try to lose less. Even in this market, Infi is falling. Great. Thank you, Infi, for not falling yesterday. Sarcastic, sorry. Dialogues of blogger ne liya na. मैं अकेले लिया हूँ. Good morning, Amit. बालक 63 हो गया, 63 64 क्या यार, कम ऑन कुछ तो बताओ, खाली स्क्रीन चला रहा हूँ क्या? लोग तो हैं 182.5 बंधन बैंक, जो भी लोग फ्यूचर्स में लिए, फ्यूचर है क्या इसका पता नहीं, आई मीन इज इट इन बैन और नॉट, तो ऑलवेज इज इन बैन, सो पोजीशन तो कैश में करना होगा। बालक अपना कॉल डबल होने वाला है अभी। We expect that when it go if and when it goes to 24,497 or 24,491, that's it. With our call option should hit 110. That's my calculations. इस जगह पर कोई resistance नहीं दिख रहा. There's no need for it to. Okay, there's only one guy who can come in and create a problem here. And that guy's name is. Now that's crossed that one also. Come on, call option fire. Then MA is crossed, and so all the indications are there that it is going to follow the path that I drew yesterday night on this. It is there in yesterday's video. I haven't modified it. Same line 24,450. Yeah, it's psychological resistance level. अभी एक चीज करना, अभी डेबिट मिट गया तो अभी रेड में आने मत देना, बस 100 हो तो 100, 200 हो तो 200, जितना भी हो ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस रख के clear it out. If it cuts, you can always re-enter. Remember, you can always re-enter. ओके तो अभी हमारे पास एक सेकंड का है, वी ओनली टेकन हाफ पोजीशन, तो सेकंड पोजीशन कहाँ पे ऐड करना दे, पोटेंशियल ऐड पोजीशन, तो अराउंड 24,391, राइट, विच इज अवर ई कैंडल के हाई पे, दैट इज 24,413.2 is the high of this candle. So that is the potential because that was the breakout point, right? So वहाँ पे retest हो सकता है या इसके high पे 24,425. But let's take the worst case. Wait till this major support of 25,400. 25,400 आएगा तो second वाला position ले सकते हैं. Good morning, Anil. Hi, Aditya. Interglobe Aviation, that is Indigo, right? Indigo. खतरनाक है अनिल, खतरनाक है, सुपर पिक, एक ब्यूटीफुल असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल सामने दिख गया, अभी रीटेस्ट हो रहा है इसका. सो व्हाट आई go along above this, stop below this green candle, target बहुत जगह है, but let me keep that limit target first. So 46.17 or 46.57 and 4700, an excellent pick. And of course, we can also measure the triangle if you want. And the confluence will give us the right target. 95, around 67 bucks from the breakout point. So 46.40 का एक core target है. So reduce the second target to here, 46.45. That's going to be a second target. That's most probably the likely target, 46.45. But excellent pick. Thank you for sharing. This is a very nice pick. This is the power of a community which can work without ego and are real traders who are not looking for any kind of other things, right? You will get yesterday, 2 days back, Anil had given a pick of Davis Labs. I don't know if anybody has seen the price yesterday. It fell almost 300 points from where we entered short, right? So that's okay. Let it cross the high and then we can enter. Indigo, I don't think the options are liquid. So क्या फ्यूचर में करना है या फिर कैश में? That's the beauty of Bandhan Bank, you know. If it sustains above this, people can't add new positions. They can only reduce positions. मतलब short covering आएगा. So another reason for that one. Hindustan Copper says Manoj. I'm not sure. We can take a look. Manoj is just a resistance area. बहुत supply है यहाँ पे, तो I wouldn't jump on it. It doesn't mean that you are wrong or anything. It could of course go up. But for me, a resistance area बहुत important है, इसको cross करना है, और also round level 300 भी है यहाँ पे, so I wouldn't look at it now. Because expiry के इतने पास है ना, तो people may not pick it up. Okay, but worth a watch. many contra flags that I'm seeing. Let's say there is a resistance here and another resistance at 305, which is big for the stock. Of course, if we यहाँ से 301 तक मिल गया तो भी बहुत बड़ा पैसा बनेगा. But for me, it currently doesn't justify the risk reward, and it is at a resistance level. So one of the thing could be let it fall down to 287, 88 again. If it falls, वहाँ से आप bottom fish करो, so ये target करो. That's the strategy that I would use. Personally, I'm not interested in this stock, but if you are doing it, good luck, and I hope it works for you. Just feel free to share your analysis. There is no expertise or anything here. Feel free. We're all learners. Dixon can be an excellent stock. Okay, before I go to Dixon, see this candle? This is the sign of accumulation. So above this high, add. Instead of cancel the plan to add below to 24,400, we can add above 24,451, and I will be adding a large quantity here if it crosses this high, because this is a super bullish pattern. Validated only if the high is crossed. Okay, next 15 minutes. A candle money, next candle. 1 minute to close for this candle. ये तो भाग गया already. Oh, it's going to go to all-time high. Definitely a cash buy positional. It will go to new highs for sure. Yeah, Aditya again. Aditya was shorting this. Oh, now you are only okay. Aditya, good. Fundamentals. This stock, Aditya, I'm telling you, this is जो भी मोदी गवर्नमेंट कर रहा है हार्डवेयर के लिए. The biggest beneficiary is Dixon, and you will get PE re-rating. Wait for the results. Every result it's going to re-rate, and this is how you make big money, by PE expansion, right? Yeah, I agree with builder. चलो यार एक like button hit करने में क्या जाता है यार. Even if you don't like मार दो यार. See, only if the high is crossed, this is valid. That's what I was telling. Let it cross the high, and we will jump in with such volume that we will take it to 24,497, just like that. Pun intended. Okay, so this is a potential valid trade for us right now. I want to, yeah. Okay, market doesn't want to cross that high. It is instead coming down. I wouldn't buy the second one right now. Just book out your first one at your cost. And so our next trade is going to be above this high, 24,452. Okay, and I'm going to assume that we will not break this low. 24,400 will be our stop loss, and then sky is the limit. Sorry, 24,670 is the limit. Okay, and Indigo, you can take a punt right here, right now. If you are risk pro, 45.50 stop loss रख के 46.45 target. That is what I would do. Dixon, safe to do position for a few days. हाँ, अगर सब कुछ bear market हो गया तो high से वापस आ सकता है. So that's a slight risk that you take, but without risk there is no reward. Or Bandhan Bank is our key bet for today. We have got huge quantity. Let's see. I might hold it till just tomorrow if the market doesn't fall. Overall market doesn't fall. क्योंकि अभी जो भी ऊपर जा रहा है ये सिर्फ short covering की वजह से जा रहा है. तो if the market falls, then nobody will cover. So again it will fall. Oh my Nifty is making such beautiful candles. I don't want to jinx it by talking too much about it. Well, I'm going to stay back for 10 more minutes. थोड़ा over time में चलेगा आज, I think. Taking a look at our market breadth numbers now. So we are pretty good in Nifty with Grasim leading the show. Bank Nifty is doing well, but only HDFC Bank is there. SBI is also there, but the biggies ICSA and Axis are yet to fire. Without them firing, it's difficult for Bank Nifty to move. Mid cap is rocking. Small cap is on fire today. So Nifty 500, 300 stocks are up, 200 stocks are down. So that's also very positive. Of course, we want more numbers to be there. All the health stocks are going up. Premal Pharma, Esther DM, M&M Financial, fantastic result, but not showing in the price. So it looks good. It looks good for our position. So nothing to do. Just wait and enter, wait and enter, wait and add. Okay, friends, I'm afraid it's time for me to wind up. So we have the levels for everything and nothing more to be discussed, I think. So let's hope that the Nifty goddess goes our way and let's make tons of money. So see you all tomorrow and take care and trade safe. Bye bye. Thank you, Builder. It was great to hear that. On your way back, first day back, you're positive. That's great. Chalo. See you all tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. Take care. Bye bye.